say that we falling on. If you could see it from the front, you like it told you in the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more.
Hey guys, it's Jalen Simone. Welcome back for another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jalen and I do videos on hair, skincare, vlogs, a little bit of everything. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey friend. So today I'm going to be talking about this V-part wig. It is so cute, y'all. It's from Amazon, from the store DSM. I'll make sure to list down all the information on the bottom. So it's 20 inches. It's a light yaki texture. If you did not check out my last video, make sure to check that out. I'll put it up here somewhere. I talked about how I was tired of wearing lace wigs. I'm tired of the bowl hold, the ghost bond, the Got2b glue. And I really just want to go back to the basics and go back to U-part wigs and having an actual leave out and all of that. So this is gonna be like my little everyday wig now. If you're interested, keep on watching. So I started off with taking my edges out and my middle section, and now I'm corn braiding my hair. When I'm finished with that, I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin to make sure my ends are nice and secure. So I'm brushing my wig out and I'm about to show you the inside of the wig. It has 5 clips, but I'm only going to use the 4 that's on the side. I feel like the middle section is not really useful. And I'm spraying down the wig with the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Mist. And don't forget to get the wig cap to protect your hair. I'm going to pop that on, but just make sure that it's not covering any of your leave out. You might have to push it back a little further, but I'm using the She Is Bomb wax stick. I'm going to be putting that on my edges and leave out, and I'm going to start going in with my hot comb. So now I'm flat ironing the hair. I like the kinkiness that it has already, so I don't want the wig to be too straight. So I'm gonna go over it twice. First time regularly, and then the second time I'm gonna chase it with a comb.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me. And you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the...
Now I'm going on with the edge booster, edge control, and just making my edges slick.
Just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn,
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
So y'all, here is the final result. I really like it. It looked like my row here. Okay, I'm getting a mini compliment already. So stay tuned for another one, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.